So what are some of your top recommendations when it comes to selling a home? Like what makes it most desirable? And what are things that like you really focus in on for our sellers out there that are trying to get the maximum value for their home?
Absolutely. Something that's actually extremely basic is just the lighting.
Mm,
Because, you have a professional photographer come in, there's only, so much they can do to adjust it, but having really good lighting, having it match. So nowadays, we have these LED light bulbs out there that are, they have all these different colors. And there was a while where it was just really yellow or really
mm,
blue.
mm.
And blue kind of reminds me of doctor's offices, and yellow is really darker. It just makes a room feel smaller. Nowadays, you can get light bulbs with switches on the sides of them,
Yeah.
and you can adjust the
Wow.
temperature, the color. My favorite color is 3500
Yeah.
K. K stands for Kelvin. So when you're looking at a box of light bulbs, there is like a little chart, like a scale,
Mhm,
and you will see where the
mhm.
actual the Kelvin's sign is. Now, lumens actually has to do with the wattage.
Yeah.
They've gotten a lot easier with explaining that on the boxes. They'll just say equivalent to 65 watts or
Yeah.
something.
Yeah.
But Kelvin's is the color that you really, really want to focus on.
Yeah.
Stay away from anything under 3000,
Mm,
at least. Do not go over 4,000 really is for closets and bathrooms.
mhm.
But also mixing and matching colors. How many times do we have a light bulb that goes out in the bathroom and you have like four of them, and then
We got a
all
yellow
of a sudden you got
one,
a yellow
some
and a
white
blue one?
ones.
You'd be surprised. People don't really recognize that and see it, or they do it and they just don't think about it
Yeah.
and they just move on. But having consistent lighting throughout the entire house is critical.